Welcome to the Tellabs introductory video on the OLT2. The purpose of this video is to provide an overview of the Tellabs OLT2 optical line terminal. This overview will describe the OLT's unique features and give highlights to the installation process. The topics covered in this video will be a description of the OLT2 features and functionality, a brief overview of its unique specifications, the powering and management options for the unit, and a description of the various installation choices. An optical line terminal is a crucial device in passive optical networks that acts as the central hub managing LAN Ethernet between the core of the network and the end user. The Tellabs FlexSim OLT2 optical line terminal is a multi-purpose unit enabling open, simple, and scalable connectivity for wired and wireless networks over fiber and copper networks. The OLT2 has a unique compact size to enable flexible design options. It has optical connected distributed endpoints that can be GPON or symmetrical 10 gig XGS-PON. In addition, it offers multiple point-to-point 10 gig uplink interfaces. The OLT2 supports two PON ports. The ports can be either GPON or XGS-PON. The PON modes cannot be mixed. The OLT2 supports 4 OLT uplink ports, typically intended to be daisy-chained to support the full bandwidth either east or west in an RSDP switched ring. The OLT uplinks are completely non-blocking and can deliver the full bandwidth of the 10 gig PONs upstream or downstream. Additionally, the OLTs support operation in a commercial temperature range. Power for the OLT is provided by a 150 watt AC to 48 volt DC power supply or an NEC Class 2 power source. Power inputs are 8-pin Molex connectors found on the back of the OLT. 2 power supplies may be installed for a redundant configuration. A 10-gauge chassis ground wire is provided with the OLT2 for termination at a suitable building ground. The OLT2 is equipped with an embedded micro USB to serial port interface, which provides direct access to the command line interface found on all Tellabs OLTs. To use this interface, attach a cable from the OLT's USB port to a USB 2 or USB 3 port on a PC. The port speed is 115 to 100 bits per second. The OLT2 is shipped with the default IP address 192.168.0.10. When an SFP is installed into any uplink port, this IP address can be used to access the OLT CLI using an untagged SSH version 2 connection. The physical installation of the OLT2 can be one of 3 ways: desktop mount, wall mount, and rack mount. Rack-mounted OLTs require specialized brackets to support 1 or 2 OLTs in a standard 19-inch equipment rack. This concludes this video. In it, we have discussed a description of the OLT2 features and functionality, a brief overview of its unique specifications, the powering and management options for the unit, and a description of the various installation choices.